beautiful home is located in Spokane Valley's Fraser Estates neighborhood. Hello, I'm Steve Silbart with John L. Scott Real Estate. I'd like to show you my listing at 5012 North Ivy Court in Spokane Valley's Fraser Estates neighborhood, located near the Centennial Trail and the Spokane River. As you enter this beautiful home, you'll notice the open floor plan, with the living room off of the main entrance, and then leading into the kitchen and family space area. Right off the kitchen, you have a lovely family room area with built-ins and a gas fireplace. Off the living room, you have the laundry room with a half bath. The basement offers a egress bedroom with a walk-in closet and second closet, as well as a bonus room. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms in addition to the large master bedroom. The master features a very large walk-in closet as well as a full master bath including garden tub and shower. The large backyard is fenced and flat, perfect spot for entertaining. This lovely home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac and is also close to the Centennial Trail and Spokane River, featuring walking and biking trails. Contact me today for your private tour or more information.